1967. In the midst of the Cultural Revolution, a secret project was launched by the Chinese government that would remain classified for decades. A mysterious illness was plaguing their soldiers along the Vietnam border, and time was running out. Thus began Project 523, an unprecedented scientific endeavor to find a cure for this enigmatic disease, which would ultimately lead researchers down a rabbit hole of strange discoveries and suppressed history. The illness in question was none other than malaria, a mosquito-borne disease that had haunted humanity for millennia. The project's codename, 523, was derived from the date it was initiated, May 23, 1967. Under the leadership of the Chinese Academy of Sciences and a National Defense Science Committee, an extensive network of research institutes, hospitals, and military units were mobilized to tackle this lethal threat. What set Project 523 apart from other scientific initiatives was its unique approach to collaboration. In a time when international relations were strained, China managed to forge partnerships with previously hostile nations such as the United States and the Soviet Union. This groundbreaking cooperation allowed scientists to share resources and knowledge, ultimately leading to significant advancements in malaria research. However, it was during this quest for a cure that Chinese researchers stumbled upon something far more peculiar, artemisinin, a potent anti-malarial compound derived from the sweet wormwood plant. This discovery would eventually earn its discoverer, Tu Youyou, a Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine in 2015. But how did this ancient Chinese remedy go unnoticed by modern science for so long? The answer lies within China's rich history of traditional medicine and the tumultuous political climate during the Cultural Revolution. Many traditional practices were suppressed, and countless records destroyed, leaving a void in the understanding of these ancient wisdoms. Project 523 not only unveiled artemisinin as an effective treatment for malaria, but also sparked renewed interest in exploring other potential medicinal plants and compounds. This shift towards integrating traditional medicine with modern science has opened up new avenues for research, pushing the boundaries of what we know about disease and healing. Yet, many questions surrounding Project 53 remain unanswered. Why was it classified for so long? What other secrets did it uncover? And how did this project pave the way for future scientific collaborations? As we continue to delve deeper into the enigma that is Project 523, one thing remains clear. Sometimes, the search for answers leads us down unexpected paths, revealing truths far stranger than any conspiracy theory. Join us as we explore this fascinating chapter in China's hidden scientific history and uncover the mysteries behind the strangest experiment in Chinese history. In the early years of the People's Republic of China, a clandestine project was initiated under the veil of wartime secrecy. The year was 1967, and the country was embroiled in the tumultuous throes of the Cultural Revolution, a socio-political movement that would leave an indelible mark on the nation's history. This era of upheaval and transformation saw the birth of Project 523, an enigmatic scientific initiative